Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. Today, I'm driving the all-new, completely redesigned 2018 Jeep Compass Limited. Now, this new Compass is such a step up over the previous generation. It was a long overdue redesign, and I'm excited to share with you exactly what FCA did to make this new Compass so much better than the previous generation. Now, the Limited is the highest level trim that's available for the 2018 Compass, and it is very nice. Again, this is a brand new design for 2018, and it was completely redone. There's nothing about this SUV that is even remotely similar to the previous generation. Now, taking a look at just the design here, from the front, it's a much more aggressive SUV. It really resembles the Grand Cherokee, and it really looks like a mini Grand Cherokee. Now, I love the look of the front. These are some very nice headlights. You have quite a bit of chrome on the front of the vehicle as well, gives it a more premium look, and I love the color here with the fact that this is a white car but has black accents all over the vehicle as well as the chrome throughout. It's just a very nice design. Now, these 19-inch rims look very nice. I love the look of the chrome here as well as the dark gray throughout the rest of the rim. It just really looks very nice. You have this dark accent all across the vehicle. You know, and there's even, I mean, these little touches here where you have chrome on the outside of the Compass badging, but then it's this dark insert here. And that theme just goes all across the vehicle. And this is a very, very nice looking SUV. It's so much better than the previous generation. I mean, they really did this one right. Now, making our way to the inside of the Compass, again, this Limited is the top of the line and really has so much in terms of the attention to detail and the comfort and the features and everything. I mean, just looking here, you have this nice contrast stitching. Very cool that this orange brown contrast stitching is all over the inside of this Compass. It's on the steering wheel, it's on the seats, it's on the doors. Really cool. You have these soft leather and vinyl surfaces everywhere, and it just has such a nice look. Again, it really does resemble a lot of what you get in the Grand Cherokee. These doors too, I mean, they feel like they close very nicely. It's a lot more solid than the previous generation Compass, and it's a very nice look and a very nice feel in here. You have a really nice soft steering wheel, much more modern looking. You have these controls here that you have in the Grand Cherokee and in the Cherokee as well, and a lot of other FCA vehicles. You have this large Uconnect touchscreen, which is new in the Compass, was never offered before. A lot of the controls that you're used to having with that Uconnect touchscreen, as well as your four-wheel drive controls, as this is a four-wheel drive vehicle. You also have a very nice panoramic moonroof, which I absolutely love. Just really opens this up. This is not a big SUV, but this panoramic moonroof really makes it look larger and really opens up the cabin. And again, I just love the attention to detail. You have the Jeep badging in the middle of these very nice, very soft leather seats. And while the front does give you a nice amount of room, you also get a nice amount of room in the back. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall and I don't have any issues sitting behind myself. And it feels very nice back here too. I love that you have a USB port and then you also have a full power plug. And the previous generation Compass did have a full power plug as well. Although I believe it was a 2-prong, and now you do have the full 3-prong. You also have vents for the rear passengers, which is very nice. And I really love the look. It's so soft, so comfortable. This is a very nice Compass. And then making your way to the trunk, this actually has a decent amount of room. I mean, this is a very small SUV, and you have a decent sized trunk and a decent sized back seat. So they really laid out the space very well when they designed this 2018 Compass. You also have push button start. It's a very nice display in between the tachometer and the speedometer. It gives you a lot of vehicle information. And this one has a lot of safety features too. I mean, here you have the lane sense, where it can tell if you're drifting out of your lane. You also have the blind spot monitoring, as you can see in the corner of the mirror there. Auto start stop. And this is the newest version of the Uconnect system, and it's a very nice system. This one has heated seats. It also has a heated steering wheel. I love that this has the navigation system. Nice, large, very clear backup camera. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you also have several different modes for the 4-wheel drive system, which I really like. I mean, that was not available before in the Compass. You know, you just had a 4-wheel drive lock button before, so it is really nice that you have this. Now we're just gonna go for a quick drive. Now this Compass is powered by the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder multi-air engine, and it puts out 180 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque. Now, FCA has been really resistant on putting turbocharged 4-cylinders in their Jeeps. I think that vehicles like the Compass could benefit a lot from that, considering the fact that there's no V6 offered in the Compass like there is in the Cherokee, for example. But this 4-cylinder, again, putting out 180 horsepower, 175 pound-feet of torque, I mean, it's not bad. You know, it gets up decently quickly. It gives you enough power to move this thing at a decent pace. And this new Compass also features a 9-speed automatic transmission. And it's just amazing to me that everybody keeps increasing the number of gears in their automatic transmissions. But it works very nicely in this Compass. You really don't feel like it's shifting too much. You know, I'm pleasantly surprised with the 9-speed. And it allows you to operate at a very low RPM when you're cruising. So I do like that a lot. And this rides very smoothly. I mean, I really am impressed with the ride quality in this Compass. It rides so much better than the previous generation. Again, I keep talking about how this is so much better, and I drove the previous generation so many times, so I was so familiar with it, and just seeing how they improved this so much. Yeah, it's a very nice, very quiet, soft ride. It's pretty well insulated in here, and it's so comfortable. I could see myself driving in this car on a long trip and being very comfortable, which is nice because I drove the previous Compass on many trips and it was fine, but it wasn't like this. This is much closer to the level of comfort that you get in the Grand Cherokee. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the all-new, completely redesigned 2018 Jeep Compass. I'm Rob. This is the test drive. Please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video and this SUV and what this competes against. And please subscribe to my channel if you'd like. That does help me make more videos. Thanks again for taking this test drive with me, and I'll catch you in the next video.